Delay o masyadong... Hey. 5 oras na maaga.
Ako kami na yung ticket na.
Yay! Masakay na.
Be assisted by First Officer Jones. Our flying time is approximately 1 hour and 20 minutes. We expect to arrive in Coron.
Yung mainit pero nagkakape siya.
It's raining. It's raining. Hindi na may balat sa puwet. Siya. Ay, pera. Home tour. So this is the end. Pagpasok mo, yan. Walang mga sapatos dyan. Also, our luggage. Mesa and chair. Meron silang 2 bed. Isang double deck. Also our gamit. And also isang queen size na bed. Meron silang free toiletries. I think 2. And isang maliit na safeguard. And 2 unan. We have here full-length mirror. And then after CR na siya, it's just a small room with banyo. May hot shower na rin. Turn this off. So, it's pretty decent. Mura lang to guys, kaya...
Ay.
Hello! It's our vlog. It's our mini vlog. Agenda, first day.
Yeah.
Coron Town Tour. We're going to Mount Tapias ba yun? Mount Tapias.
And we're going to
700 steps.
700 steps.
Good luck. First day, exercise.
And hot spring.
Makinit Hot Spring. Bus no?
Pag-i-stayan namin.
Pinag-stayan namin. Hostel. May veranda dito. Where you can relax. Also, McDo.
Let's go down.
Bye! Ingat! Bây giờ mình đi tắm. Quên mất em nhớ không tao. Cô đi lấy quần áo của em ra.
Calamian group of islands. So we got 4 islands of Calamian group of islands. So first one, land of Busuanga. So this Busuanga Island. So when you first time arrive to the airport, you can see the signboard name San Francisco Busuanga.
The sleeping giant named Coron.
Pretties.
Kung gusto, try mo kaya yung spicy.
Spicy ito yun. Toasted garlic spicy.
Uy, baka mabusog ka dyan.
Ito yung ano. Tawag. Langka or something. Bandi with
Be, hindi mo ako ginawang ganito.
Caramelized snafu,
Be,
banana snacker, available cashew butter scotch, chapoy for the dad, spicy beef, Kita na! Bili na sa Dad Souvenir and Pasalubong Center located at Mount Apias Road, Coramba.
yan. Sige mo pa. Sige pa. Yan.
Bonjour, Souvenir
Sige.
and Pasalubong Center.
Dalawa. Dalawa.
Wala yung black.
Dapat pumasok ka.
Yan.
Pastillas mango, pastillas mango, at marami pang iba. Kasi ay laging bago. Chocolate for the dark, and it can be toasted cashew pastillas, pastillas ube, pastillas mango, pastillas,
Diba?
at marami pang iba.
Para sa
Kasi ay laging
Yan na lang.
bago.
Pretty.
Mga
Yeah. Pa.
para nakaharap sa'yo. Yan. Di ba?
Long step na to.
Sir Max.
Lalaki yung calves mo.
Pag tumalong ka, lumilipad ka.
Tapos takbo pa, no? Hindi lakad. Ay, be, kapawis mo na.
Sa tayo.
Tagaktak sa pawis.
Ikaw ba? 3 piraso lang pa ako doon.
Bilang mo ba?
Oo.
Tara, baba na tayo. Kunwari naka 700 steps.
Dinadaya mo pa yung sarili mo.
Is the view too good? Para sacrifice mo yung paa mo?
Tingnan muna tayo. Wala bang maupan?
There, kaso marami.
Tara, baka may makita tayong amazing. That's for sure.
I don't know. Ayun pa?
Oh.
Pahinga. Meron pa kayo bukas.
Walang panyo. Tissue.
Tissue. Yo.
Ako naman hawak dyan. Ikaw naman dito. Ayan. Ay, hindi pala, mabigat pala to.
Arm exercise
No,
din
no, no,
to.
no, I don't need arm exercise. Pag ano, normal lang pa. Just normal steps.
200 steps. That's only 200?
Oh, 500 to go.
Woo!
This is
360.
This is 725 steps of Busuanga. You are located in.
Picture tayo muna.
Walang iya ka yan.
The sun still there.
It's pointing at us. What time is it?
Oh, look at that. There.
You cannot able to do that.
You can. Sweating. Oh, guys. It's a good thing nakachinelas tayo. Patos tayo, patay. I'm tired. And only 300. 300. This is scam. We paid for this. Oh, sexy.
Ubus niyo tutoy yung tubig niyo bago kayo makarating sa tao.
Oo nga. Grabe. Eto hindi sila umapot. Nag-doubt.
Hingal na tayo. O paano kung gawin mo pa yung dun sa Facebook, yung 2,000?
I need motivation. Seafood.
Seafood?
Back ribs.
No. Sabi mo nga, di ba gusto mo magpapayat bukas? Pwede fit na sa'yo. So,
Tawa yan o ano? Tawa yung tubig. See you there.
yeah, see you in a
Bye.
bit.
So update. We're here. We made it. Ah. Woo. Ask me if it's worth it. I think yes. Woo. Look at that. Yes. It's worth it kung sa view ka titingin.
Tignan mo, may nagkakagatan dun. Makikita mo.
Ang lola mo. 50. No, 47 kilos now. 45. Wow. Look. Sarad. Kapagod ka.
Uy, may extra steps pa dun, di.
No thanks. I'm good.
You weak.
Is
Yeah,
that-
let me.
It's too...
No, not that. Wait. the first tower, this one, then look at this part and you will see yellow.
Oh yeah,
Yeah,
I
that's
see it.
that's
I see it.
that's
I
the
see it.
word.
I see it.
Okay.
At the view, you can see all cities. OMG. Pagod. Yes, pagod. Pagoda.
Gaggy pare. Game. This 3 tower.
Yeah, alam ko na yan.
May gawa ko pang taga-video. Leme. Yan. Well, hindi ko nakita pero nahuli ng camera.
We're going down.
Yeah.
Easy lang, di ba?
Yeah, 725 in total. Pero
Parang di ka umiyak kanina.
we stopped 4 times.
We stop 4 times lang ba?
Yeah. Marami lang run.
Okay din.
Harap ka.
Diba? May sarili ko human doon. Makinit Hot Spring.
By the way, our last stop, Makinit Hot Spring.
Things.
Hindi ko alam.
Our group is still here.
Stay hydrated lang.
Balik na tayo. 14. So here, not allowed to cigarette, smoking, drinking. Progress around 5 minutes before going to the moon. Imagine nyo, relax na relax daw. Mag-swimming ba? Hindi mo na
Makinit.
Baba mo na mo.
We're here at
Cars.
Carl's Barbecue.
Yeah. Na lang.
I wanna try this. First bite of the day. Sarap.
Yeah, actually. You haven't hit? How is it?
Medyo strong yung lasa. Tumang mo na lang.
That's good.
Ano ba? Tempura.
Yeah.
Pinaggutom ko. Isang buong araw di kumaan. So, kakatapos ko mag-shower. Obviously. So, tomorrow, ang plan is island hopping. I think we're gonna visit island at least four island. For sure, pagod din yun. But, yeah, since nandito kami, it's our first time in Coron. Susulitin namin syempre. Antok na nga kami. Super antok. Like, after kumain, hindi man lang naghintay bumaba yung kinain. Agad-agad, tara. Uwi na tayo para makapag-shower na. Gosh. And the call time is 7:40 to 8:40. Suppose yung breakfast, syempre. And lalo na siya, hindi siya makakapag-enjoy or hindi siya magkakaroon ng energy without breakfast. Ako naman coffee. I have to have coffee. Para makapag-function ng ayos. So yeah, tomorrow's itinerary is island hopping. Then siguro after matatapos yung tour ng 4 p.m. Exactly 4 p.m. Then nandito na kami by 4:30 or 5. Then pahinga. Then we'll find resto to eat. Enjoy kami.
Sabi mo?
Vlog. Nalalasahan ko ba din yung
Baby back ribs. Ako, nag-burp ako. Baby back ribs sila. 6:30, almusal, silog. 7 to 7:30.
patara mo silog.
Sinabi niya.
Yun yung almasal.
Oo, tapos 7 to 7:30, pick up. Pero sabi, mas maganda mag-ready na ng maaga kasi minsan hindi nasusunod yung time frame nila.
Gano'n kaaga?
Yun ang mas maganda maaga kasi.
Ayun na naman tayo. Mas maganda maaga. So, see you tomorrow! Second day! Second day!
Yeah, second day.
Island hopping. Bye!